Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find Easter eggs, okay? Can you find Easter eggs and put them in here? Like that? What's that? Is that Easter egg? Ooh, get it. Pick it up. You put it in here. And we'll open it later. Are there any more in here? You look real hard. You see any more eggs?
Egg.
Good girl. Ooh. You find any more over here? Good girl. Do you see any more? Ooh. They will get up here clean next year, so it's done. No, leave them in there. We got tons more to find. Do you see any more anywhere? Look around. See a purple one? Purple egg? Do you see a purple egg? Purple egg! Can you put it in here? Oh, good girl! Okay. Let's come over here. Let's come over here. All right, let's hold my hand. We gotta look for eggs. Mommy sees an egg. Look over there. There it is. Good girl. Good girl. Do you see any more eggs? Wow! Woo! All right. Mommy sees more eggs. Do you? Good girl. Okay. Do you see any downstairs? Look around. Do you see any over there? Look over here, Holly. Do you see any? Ooh! Say. Do you see any more? Ooh! Say. All right, let's find all the eggs. Are there any more? Are there any more?
I bet there is.
I bet there is. Good orange, right? You do orange?
What's that?
Orange. And the orange one?
Orange. Do you see yellow one? You see yellow one? Ooh. Yellow? Be careful, honey. There we go. All right. Let's see where are more. That Easter bunny did a good job hiding them. There we go. Where's more? I see a green one. Yellow. Orange. That's right. Orange. Mommy sees a green. Where is the green one? Do you see it? Do you see it anywhere? Mommy sees it. Right there. Oh! You shake it? That sounds like cheddar. Cheddar. Come here, put it in here. Oh, we'll open them up later, okay? All right, come on, let's go find more. Where's more eggs? Eggs. Say eggs. Where are you? Eggs. Where are you? Look everywhere. Look all around. Look up in here. Oh, you found one. Good girl. Okay, let's come in here. Do you see any more? Pink. Whoa. Let's see. Do you see any more? Where are they?
I see one.
There we go. You know what? I bet the Easter Bunny put some outside. Let's go look outside. Come on. Hold hand. Alright. Let's go see where they are. Step.
Watch your step.
Oh, what? Do you see anything in here?
And Grammy's plant?
Look at Grammy's plant. Do you see anything?
No.
Here, come look.
I said no.
Do you see anything? Ooh, cheddar! Cheddar! All right, let's go look some more. Look over here. Do you see any? Woo! No, that's purple. That's right. All right, let's find some more. There's some. That's pink. Good girl. All right, let's look some more. The Easter eggs, where are you? Easter eggs, where are you? Eggs.
Michelle.
Let's look in the chairs. Do you see? Oh, wow! Let's look in the other arm. Let's look in the other one. Do you see anything? Oh, wow! Another purple one. Purple. Wow. Let's go find some more. You know what? I bet the Easter Bunny put the rest up front. Yeah, eggs. Come here.
Watch your step there.
I see one more the Easter Bunny left for you. Do you see it? Ooh. Get it. That's cheddar, huh? That's money.